Miami 2017 here is going to crack open personal Revolution Basketball. Good luck, good luck. Here we go. Still looking for Galactic. Have not seen any yet. Here we go. All right, Draymond Green, D'Angelo Russell, Drummond. Then we have a Kawhi Leonard Groove. And Rookie Revolution, Okongwu. Alfred Payton, John Collins, Kyle Kuzma. Then we have a Christian Wood, Fractal, and Grant Riller, Rookie. Looking for ball. I've not seen a ball out of this entire case yet. Dragic, Russell Westbrook. John Wall is a LeBron James, Astro parallel, and Jimmy Butler, Supernova. Wiggins, Herter, Rozier, CJLB, Astro parallel, and Patrick Williams, rookie. Eric Gordon, Jonas Valanciunas. All right, then we have a Tyrese Maxey autograph. Followed by Lonzo Ball, Astro and Vortex insert of D'Angelo Russell. Jamal Murray, Rudy Gobert, DeAndre Ayton. Rookie is Desmond Bane. That one is to 149 Impact. And then Elijah Hughes, rookie. Devontae Graham, Drew Holiday, Domantas Sabonis, Precious, Fractal rookie, and then a Shockwave of Damian Lillard. And our last pack, we got LaMarcus Aldridge, Jaren Jackson, Melo, Vortex, Fractal, Jason Tatum, and then a CJ Ellaby, rookie. Round out box number 1. All right, let me see what he wants to do here. Quite a run. All right, let's go left. Let's go left on this one. I'm trying, buddy. I'm trying. Let's find something crazy. Galactic of Ball would be out of this world. Let's make it happen. Come on. Everybody's cheering. Adams, Karis LeVert, Brandon Clark. All right, then we have a Jameis Ramsey. That is numbered to 149 Impact, rookie. With a Halliburton, rookie behind that. A couple decent Kings hits there. Brown, Ingram, Murray, Jarrett Culver, Astro, and the Shockwave. There's Jamal Murray. CP3, Bradley Beal, Jason Tatum, Shockwave, Bradley Beal, and then Jayshawn Tate. Paul George, DeMar DeRozan, Giannis, and then a Kobe White. The Groove, followed by a Rookie Revolution. We've got Denny, my whiz. Kawhi Leonard, Tim Hardaway Jr., Damian Lillard, Norman Powell, Fractal, and then a Cassius Stanley, rookie. Kelly Oubre, Blake Griffin, Lauri Markkanen, Michael Porter Jr., Astro, and a Vortex of Donovan Mitchell. Except Chris Middleton, Kyle Lowry, Klay Thompson, Aaron Naismith, Astro rookie. And Nick Richards, base. And finish up with, we've got Durantula, Ja Morant, Karl Anthony Towns. Rookie Revolution, Devin Vassell. That is a Galactic. There is the Galactic parallel. Those things are so pretty. Rookie Revolution, Galactic Vassell, and Shockwave of Kawhi Leonard. All right, finally found a Galactic. It took until box number 7 of the inner case. All right, let me see what he wants to do. All right, we're going to do the last one as well. Zion on the back. Russell Westbrook, Draymond Green, John Collins. We have a Dejounte Murray, Stars, and Vortex, the big man. John Wall, Terry Rozier, RJ Barrett. We have a Bradley Beal. That is numbered to 100, Cosmic. And Josh Green, rookie. Eric Gordon, Buddy Hield, Joel Embiid, Jason Tatum, and Shockwave. That's Devin Booker. There's Mr. Ball. First one out of this entire case. Ja Morant, Karl Anthony Towns, Devontae Graham. We have a Dejounte Murray, Fractal, and there is LaMelo Ball, base rookie. He got another one coming too. Doubling up on the ball. Culver. Aldridge. Jaren Jackson. Then we have a Isaiah Stewart. Groove rookie. And rookie Revolution this time. LaMelo Ball. Obi Toppin coming too. Michael Porter Jr. Norman Powell. Elfrid Payton. Kenny Martin. Astro. And then there's the Obi Toppin base rookie, New York Knicks. Valanciunas, DeAndre Ayton, Bam Adebayo. We have a Wiseman, Rookie Revolution Fractal. And Xavier Tillman. And final pack, finish up with Drew Holiday, Pascal Siakam, a James Harden, Groove Parallel, Domantas Sabonis, and Liftoff die cut, and it is Damian Lillard. We'll round out boxes 1, 2, and 3. Finish out the case. Appreciate it, buddy. Got a couple balls there in the last box with the Galactic in the second one. And I appreciate it, and I'll get it out ASAP.